What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best heat press machines on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. PowerPress Heat Press Machine. Featuring a Teflon-coated heating plate measuring 15 by 15 inches, the PowerPress Heat Press Machine provides ample space for transferring designs onto various garments and materials. With a voltage of 110V and a power of 1400 W, this machine delivers consistent and reliable performance for your printing projects. The digital control board of the PowerPress Heat Press Machine offers precise temperature and time control, allowing users to customize settings according to their specific requirements. With a temperature range of 32 to 455 degrees Fahrenheit and a time range of 0 to 999 seconds, you have the flexibility to achieve optimal results for different types of transfers. Unlike traditional heat press machines, the silicon mat of the PowerPress heat press machine is not glued to the bottom board. This unique design feature offers several advantages, including easy cleaning and replacement. The removable silicon mat can be washed and replaced effortlessly, ensuring longevity and hygiene in your workspace. Number 4. TransferCraft's Heat Press Machine. Unlike regular irons, the TransferCraft's heat press machine utilizes heavy pressure and high heat to permanently transfer designs onto your projects. This ensures long-lasting and professional quality results that are superior to traditional ironing methods. Whether you're working with t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, ceramic tiles, or plates, this machine delivers consistent and vibrant transfers every time. Designed for convenience, the TransferCraft's heat press machine arrives fully assembled and ready to use straight out of the box. With electronic time and heat controls, you can easily program precise settings for your specific projects. Adjusting the pressure is effortless, thanks to the knob located on the top of the machine, allowing you to achieve optimal results with minimal effort. Equipped with a digital temperature and time display controller, this heat press machine provides accurate monitoring and control over the heat and time settings. Number 3. Fancierstudio Heat Press Machine. The Fancierstudio Heat Press Machine boasts impressive specifications, including a voltage of 110 volts and a power of 1,400 watts. Its clamshell-style design ensures easy operation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With a temperature range of 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the flexibility to work with a wide variety of materials and transfer methods. Equipped with electronic time and heat control, this heat press machine allows for precise programming and consistent results. Whether you're working on t-shirts, sublimation projects, or rhinestone designs, you can adjust the temperature and time settings to achieve optimal transfer outcomes. The Fancierstudio Heat Press Machine features a silicon pad that is lightly glued down for easy replacement. This thoughtful design allows users to replace the silicon pad effortlessly, ensuring longevity and durability. With the ability to replace the pad as needed, you can maintain consistent quality in your projects over time. With pressure adjustability, this heat press machine offers versatility for various materials and transfer techniques. Number 2. Mophorn Heat Press Machine. The Mophorn Heat Press Machine works cooperatively with a 14-inch vinyl cutter, creating a dynamic duo for quick and precise design and product making. This combination is ideal for art businesses, allowing users to streamline their workflow and bring their creative visions to life with ease and efficiency. The plotter machine cutter pressure of the Mophorn heat press machine is adjustable, ranging from 10 to 500 G. This flexibility ensures that users can achieve optimal results when cutting various materials, from delicate fabrics to sturdy vinyl. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or cutting large-scale projects, the Mophorn heat press machine delivers precision and reliability. With 2 fully adjustable pinch rollers and a roll-in-compatible blade holder, the Mophorn heat press machine provides users with enhanced control and compatibility. The pinch rollers allow for a flexible range of materials, while the compatible blade holder ensures access to cost-effective blades for long-term use and sustainability. The Mophorn heat press machine features a swing-away design, allowing the heating element to be moved safely aside to reduce the chances of accidental contact. Number 1. VEVOR Heat Press Machine. Equipped with an LCD screen display and easy-to-operate buttons, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine allows users to set desired parameters with precision and ease. The audible alarm feature reminds users to stop heating when the set time and temperature are reached, ensuring consistent and reliable results with every press. The swing arm of the VEVOR heat press machine is fully rotated 360 degrees, enabling the heating element to move to the side and reduce the chance of accidental contact. This innovative feature enhances safety and convenience during operation, while also ensuring that pressure is applied directly and evenly downwards for optimal transfer quality. The VEVOR heat press machine features an adjustable spring plate that can be replaced with different accessories, such as mug presses and cap presses. The round-shaped design of the spring plate helps distribute pressure evenly, ensuring uniform and high-quality transfers across various surfaces and materials. Designed with user comfort and convenience in mind, the VEVOR heat press machine boasts several thoughtful details to enhance the printing experience. The upgraded handles are more labor-saving and stable, making operation smooth and effortless. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.